We all yearn for smooth, radiant skin that defies time. While countless anti-aging creams flood the market, nature offers potent solutions in the form of oils. These oils, derived from plants and fruits, have been cherished for centuries for their remarkable skin benefits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids, they nourish, protect, and rejuvenate the skin, combating wrinkles and promoting a youthful glow. From the Amazon rainforest to the fields of Morocco, nature provides ingredients that can transform our skin. Modern science confirms what ancient civilizations knew. Nature holds the key to youthful, radiant skin. These oils combat free radical damage, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production, crucial for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, natural oils work in harmony with your skin, delivering gentle yet effective results. We will uncover the secrets of argan oil, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and coconut oil, highlighting their unique properties. Get ready to discover nature's answer to youthful skin. Argan oil, often dubbed liquid gold, is extracted from the kernels of the argan tree, native to Morocco. Rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, argan oil neutralizes free radical damage caused by sun exposure and pollution. This protective effect helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin smoother and more youthful looking. Argan oil is an excellent emollient, softening and conditioning the skin, improving its overall texture and tone. It is easily absorbed, leaving no greasy residue, making it suitable for all skin types, even those prone to acne. Regular application of argan oil can improve skin hydration, reduce wrinkles, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. Apply a few drops to cleanse the skin, gently massaging in upward circular motions. Rosehip oil, extracted from the seeds of rose bushes, is a potent source of vitamins A and C, both renowned for their skin rejuvenating properties. Vitamin A, in the form of retinol, promotes cell turnover, reduces wrinkles, and improves skin texture. Vitamin C protects against sun damage and stimulates collagen production, enhancing skin's elasticity and firmness. Rosehip oil helps diminish fine lines, evens out skin tone, and minimizes hyperpigmentation. Its regenerative properties also reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Lightweight and easily absorbed, rosehip oil is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. Apply a few drops to cleanse skin, gently massaging it in until fully absorbed. Jojoba oil, technically a liquid wax, is derived from the seeds of the jojoba plant, native to the southwestern United States and Mexico. Its similarity to sebum allows jojoba oil to moisturize and balance the skin without clogging pores. Jojoba oil penetrates deeply, delivering its nourishing properties to the deeper layers. It helps regulate sebum production, making it beneficial for both oily and dry skin types. By balancing sebum levels, jojoba oil can help prevent acne breakouts and reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin conditions such as eczema and rosacea. High in antioxidants, jojoba oil protects the skin from environmental damage and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Apply a few drops to cleansed skin, gently massaging it in until fully absorbed. Grapeseed oil, extracted from the seeds of grapes, is a lightweight, odorless oil with an impressive antioxidant profile. Rich in proanthocyanidins, it fights free radical damage more effectively than vitamins C and E. This makes grapeseed oil a powerful ally in protecting the skin from premature aging caused by sun exposure and pollution. Its high antioxidant activity helps protect collagen and elastin fibers, preserving the skin's elasticity and firmness. Grapeseed oil's astringent properties make it beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin, tightening pores and regulating sebum production. Its lightweight texture allows it to absorb quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue. Apply a few drops to cleanse skin, gently massaging it in until fully absorbed. Coconut oil, extracted from the meat of mature coconuts, offers remarkable benefits for the skin, especially in anti-aging. Rich in lauric acid, it has potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that soothe and calm irritated skin. Coconut oil forms a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. It contains antioxidants that help protect the skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals. While not as potent as some other oils in terms of antioxidant activity, its moisturizing and protective properties contribute to a healthier complexion. However, coconut oil can be comedogenic for some individuals, meaning it can clog pores and lead to breakouts. If you have acne-prone skin, use coconut oil sparingly or avoid it on your face. Test its suitability by applying a small amount to a discrete area and observing for any adverse reactions. Countless individuals have incorporated natural oils into their skincare routines and experienced remarkable transformations. Sarah, a 45-year-old woman, used argan oil twice a day and noticed significant improvement in her skin's hydration and texture within weeks. The fine lines around her eyes appeared visibly reduced, and her skin felt plumper and more youthful. Mark, a 35-year-old man with oily, acne-prone skin, tried jojoba oil for its sebum-regulating properties. Jojoba oil did not clog his pores or cause breakouts. It helped control his oil production, reduced the appearance of his pores, and left his skin feeling balanced and hydrated. These are just a few examples of the positive experiences people have shared about using natural oils for their skin. The key is to find the right oil or combination of oils that work best for your specific skin type and concerns. Discover the transformative power of these natural oils for yourself. Incorporating natural oils into your skincare routine is simple and customizable. You can use them alone or combine them with your existing skincare products. The key is to apply them to cleansed skin, allowing them to penetrate deeply and deliver their benefits. For best results, start with a cleansed face and apply a few drops of your chosen oil to slightly damp skin. This helps the oil spread more easily and enhances absorption. Gently massage the oil into your skin using upward circular motions, avoiding the delicate eye area unless the specific oil is formulated for that purpose. Use oils in both your morning and evening skincare routines. In the morning, follow up with sunscreen to protect your skin from sun damage. With a plethora of natural oils available, choosing the right one for your skin type can seem daunting. For dry skin, look for oils rich in essential fatty acids and emollient properties, such as argan oil, rosehip oil, and coconut oil. These oils help lock in moisture, soothe dryness, and plump up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For oily or acne-prone skin, opt for non-comedogenic oils that help regulate sebum production, such as jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and rosehip oil. These oils balance the skin's natural oils, prevent clogged pores, and reduce inflammation, contributing to a clearer complexion. For sensitive skin, choose gentle, soothing, and anti-inflammatory oils like rosehip oil, jojoba oil, and argan oil. These oils help calm irritation, reduce redness, and strengthen the skin's natural barrier function. Natural oils offer a treasure trove of benefits for the skin, particularly in anti-aging. Their rich antioxidant profiles, nourishing properties, and ability to work in harmony with the skin make them potent allies against wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. From luxurious argan oil to vitamin-rich rosehip oil, each oil possesses unique properties that cater to specific skin types and concerns. By incorporating these natural elixirs into your skincare routine, you can harness the power of nature to achieve youthful, radiant skin. Embrace the wisdom of ancient traditions and modern science by incorporating natural oils into your skincare regimen. Discover the transformative power of these age-defying elixirs and unlock the secret to youthful, radiant skin that glows from within.